this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2023 Ford F-150 Lariat. Coming in this nice rapid red coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the Lariat Sport package, as well as the Max Trailer Tow package. Taking a look at the back here, you do have that nice rear park sensing, your tow hitch right there, blind backup camera, and moving to sides, we do have mud flaps on rear and front wheel wells, as well as a nice gripped running board. We have a side view camera, blind spot detection of course, and moving to the front park sensing, 2 tow hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the interior now, we can see this vehicle comfortably seats up to 5 pretty nicely. We do have this nice black leathered perforated seats with brown leather accents, plenty of door space, a B&O sound system, which makes your music sound pretty nice, brown leathering on the door, and if you don't need that extra person, you can fold this down for 2 cup holders and some arm space. You do have 2 cup holders right there, 2 heated seats, a 12 volt outlet, USB and USB-C, and a 120 volt outlet right there. And of course, if you need a little extra space, you can always fold up the seats. Taking a look at the driver's side, we can see the seats are powered with the same black leather perforated seats we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space again, brown leathering on the door, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, parking brake, pedal adjusters, tailgate lights, blind spot detection, and your tailgate opener right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 31.7 kilometers. Taking a look at the steering wheel, we have a nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. You have your toggle for your main screen there, plus phone and media, cruise control, and volume and voice. Looking at your main screen, you do have My View, trip and fuel, truck info, towing, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. Continue our look here. You do have your nice gear shift there, which is also collapsible. You have your speed adjusters on there as well. Space here, cup holders, wireless charging pad, USB and USB-C, storage, and this does close for you. We have the nice brown leathering on the center console, which does fold open like this, providing you with a fair bit of storage. And you do get a ton of storage with the center console, with the USB and USB-C. You do have heated steering wheel and heated and cooled front seats, dual climate, 12 volt outlet, 120. This does open up for more storage and storage in the glove box. Rear axle lock, drive modes, 4-wheel drive capabilities, trailer disconnect, and pro trailer assist. Your drive modes are normal, slippery, deep sand and snow, mud and ruts, and all the way to the left here, tow and haul, eco, and sport. Continue our look here, you have your auto stop, auto start, 360 view of the vehicle, park sensing, hazards, and traction control. Looking at your main screen, you do have Sirius XM capabilities. We do get that nice Wi-Fi hotspot, phone, navigation of course, your fave app, which you can set up however you want, messaging, email, so on and so forth, any apps you may have downloaded such as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, settings, phone, navigation, Wi-Fi, so on and so forth, and features. Looking above my head here, we have our features for a twin panel moonroof, which adds excellent lighting to the vehicle, and you do have a rear window opener, which does come in handy. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FC93495, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.